Good morning. How did you sleep last night?
Hey there. I had a decent night's sleep, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm glad to hear that. I slept pretty well too. Do you have any plans for the day ahead?
Yeah, I've got a busy day lined up. Work is piling up, and I also have a few errands to run. How about you?
Oh, I can relate to the workload. It's mostly work on my end as well, with a bunch of meetings sprinkled throughout the day.
Meetings, huh? That can be both good and bad, depending on the agenda. Any exciting updates?
Well, some interesting projects are in the pipeline, but nothing too groundbreaking at the moment. By the way, any news on your car? The car situation is still ongoing. It's at the shop, and they said they'd give me a call once it's fixed. Fingers crossed it won't take too long.
That's a bit of a hassle, isn't it? If you need a ride anywhere, just let me know. I'd be happy to help out. Thanks, I appreciate that. I think I'll manage with public transport for now, but it's good to know I have a backup plan.
No problem at all. We should catch up later if we have some free time.
Absolutely, I'd love to. How about dinner tonight?
Dinner sounds fantastic. Craving some Mexican food?
Mexican it is, then. Looking forward to it.
Same here. See you tonight?
Definitely. See you later, and have a productive day.
You too. Take care.